Hey everybody, Ron here, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with an update on our Havok Offroad giveaway. Just to give you a quick recap, contest started several weeks ago. Contest ends January 7th. We had 500 shirts. We're down to 194 shirts as of this afternoon. Most of the popular sizes are gone, so jump in, grab your t-shirts now while you still can at www.customoffsets.com/Havok. You've got less than 2 weeks to get your shirts before the contest ends. And just another reminder, the contest is for a free set of wheels, any size, any finish of in-stock Havok Offroad wheels. Benefits, this time charity selected was the American Red Cross. Particularly, they've been helping out the California wildfires, the recent California wildfires, as well as this time of the season they respond to lots of home fires during the winter. So we're stoked to be able to give back to them. And a special shout out to those of you that have been donating through our drop down button. Those extra donations go a long way. So special shout out to you all for donating. We've had a lot donating, upwards of $25. So thanks a lot. Again, contest ends January 7th. www.customoffsets.com/Havok. Grab your shirt today and good luck. Peace.